tonight. It's Minra on the stage of Dragon's big debut. Playing all the games, laughing, crying, having fun. Wonderful experiences I'm sharing with you all. I'm here to let you all. You're a sweetie pie. Enjoy the show by this Dragon's Minra. Go, go! Minra, are you gonna sing? Karaoke night, the glow sticks are ready. Will you sing a meme or cover something else? Maybe something different, there's lots to sing today. La 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 la. There's so much to sing, what will today bring? Come a while and stay fun with Minra today. Very loud. Shake your wings, move your body, enjoy the flashy show. A dancing dragon's here on stage, an idol's born tonight. Spinning, stepping to the beat, a star is shining bright. Singing all the songs, some are goofy, some are hard. Raise your glow sticks to the beat and shake them all around. Here to delight you all. You're a sweetie pie. Enjoy the show by this Dragon's Minra. Go, go! Go and sing out very loud. Shake your wings, move your body, enjoy the flashy show. It's a fairy dragon, wow, see her colors shine tonight. It's Minra on the stage of Dragon's big debut. Playing all the games, laughing, crying, having fun. Wonderful experiences I'm sharing with you all. Dancing dragons here on stage, an idol's born tonight. Spinning, stepping to the beat, a star is shining bright. Singing all the songs, some are goofy, some are hard. Raise your glow sticks to the beat and shake them all around. Here to delight you all. You're a sweetie pie. Enjoy the show by this Dragon's Minra. Go, go! The show to start. Time to begin now. Give it all your heart, and everybody, let's go! Go, go! Go, go, go! Go, go! Go? Go! Hello. Hello, sweetie pies. It's time for day 2 of Minra Makes a Game. For 7-day what is that? What's this thing called again? 7-day FPS game jam. Hiya, Pokey. How are you doing, sweetie pies? Good to see you. Oh my gosh. Hiya. Get some music going on in the background. Get some background music going. Hit play. It's a little quiet music. My microphones. Yeah. How are you doing, sweetie pies? It's so good to see you on this fantastic. What is today? Today is Tuesday. On this fantastic Tuesday afternoon. It is afternoon. So, yesterday in the world of 7-day FPS. We have built this scene. A house that has unlit textures. A very sussy cube. I mean, look at how that cube is. It's very sussy. It's so sussy. Yeah. And we built a house here full of... We go inside the house. Look at that. We have Minra, 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 and Minra. You've got a sus cube, security camera, and Minra. Hiya, Patty. It's so good to see you. Pokey says I'm having a nice day. So you're making a game, huh? That's cool. Yeah, we are doing a game jam called 7-Day FPS. And here, let me actually hold on a sec. 7-Day FPS. It's a game jam on itch.io. You see that? 7-Day FPS. This is day 2 that we're doing it. It's a game development challenge to make a first-person game in 7 days. Challenge yourself and first-person games. Challenge yourself and first-person games to make a game that takes us new places and new ways. It goes on from the 3rd to the 12th, so it's a little bit longer than 7 days. So we're technically late. There is no theme. What are the rules? Can I? Yes. In fact, any rule we want to do, we can do. And that is how the game jam works. You make a day... you make a game in first person in 7 days. What did we do yesterday? Well, we made a sussy cube. Look at that sussy cube. It's very sussy. And then we go into the house here. We have a radio here playing my song. We have this is supposed to play a video, but it's not playing a video right now. So we're gonna quickly, here, hold on a sec. Stream screen, playing. We are gonna change you to a video clip. Here you go. We go back in here. And look at that. It's starting to play one of my older VODs. So yeah. Sussy cube. Yes, so yeah. That is currently what we have today. Now the question is, this is what we have today for the game. The question is though, we don't even know what we want to do for the actual gameplay. That's the problem. Patty says, how are you feeling? I'm feeling okay. I had a little bit of a weird morning today, but besides that, I'm feeling okay. I'm ready to be here. I'm ready to be with you guys. I'm ready to just make a goofy game with you guys. So, that is what we got here today as of yesterday. The problem is now, what do we do for the actual gameplay? I don't know. I do not know at all. I haven't gotten that far, actually. So, I was throwing around ideas like maybe you're a super hardcore It's Minra fan and you live in this creepy house or something, you get to watch, and you're like a super hardcore like Minra fan, you get to do like watch Minra, like I don't know, you have Minra like posters and stuff on the walls and stuff, right? You're watching my latest stream. We were also thinking like maybe this could be like, you know, my house, maybe the day-to-day life of being Minra, right? But then ultimately I thought, I don't know if I want to do that, to be honest. I thought, now we're thinking like, we have this. We have all of this. So, what do we do with it? What do we do with all of this at the current moment? At the moment, I don't know. As for the game, I was thinking of something very interesting. Maybe we could make maybe we could make a first-person shooter, and what you're doing is you're trying to defend. You're trying to defend this house. You're trying to defend your Minra house from haters. Just all different kinds of haters coming at you, being like, Minra is not Galtastic and, you know, stuff like that, right? So you grab a shotgun and then you go shoot them. And you have to protect the house. Be like, all right, sweetie pies. I'm Minra's #1 fan. Maybe we could play as Minra's bodyguard. Maybe. Oh, that's a dumb idea. I love it. Like maybe Minra could be in here, like streaming, right? Just having a good time streaming, right? And you're like, you play as Minra's bodyguard, and you have to defend Minra's streaming home right here from evil from the haters and, you know, your ISP trying to kill your internet. It sounds so stupid. I love it. Draco Centauros must protect fellow Gal Dragon. Protect the Gal Dragon. You know what? I kind of dig this. I kind of dig this. It's such a dumb idea, but I kind of dig it. So, with that logic, now we need to start actually building the first-person shooter. We need to start building the first-person shooter then, with a gun. Because we got to give the player a gun. The gun is going to be... I need... I might have an idea. We could use ray casting, or we could use like... Well, let's see here. We're going to create... I'm going to check the asset store really quickly. Unity asset store. Gonna open up the asset store. We're going to search up gun. Can I just get like a free gun? Free assets. Let's see here. Low poly gun pack. Oh, that's even better. That's actually perfect. That actually works out for me just perfectly. Low poly gun packs. Not radio. Gun. Import. And we're gonna grab guns, and we're going to create a goofy first-person shooter where you get to play as Minra's bodyguard. Unity crashed, I think. No. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna import you. And now, as it's currently importing, let's think here. We are Minra's bodyguard. Minra's too busy streaming. We have to stop. Who do we need to stop? What is our antagonist? Who are we fighting? That is a good question. Who are we fighting? I don't know yet. Maybe we're fighting. What could we be fighting? What could we be fighting? We're gonna move our viewport outside and think here. So we have all these guns now. We're gonna put you into the models folder. Low poly guns. Okay, so it comes with a demo scene. Let's check out this demo scene. Let's check out this demo scene. That's definitely a gun. That's definitely a lot of gun. Hi, Max. Oh, it's so good to see you. I don't know what's going on anymore. That is very broken. Variable guns of gun menu has not been assigned. Variables gun of gun menu has not been assigned. We're just not gonna worry about it because that's not our problem.
Hey, buddy. You look thirsty.
Minra. Yeah, we want this one. Oh, hydration. Thank you for the hydration, Max. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We are going to create a second camera. This will be the gun rendering camera. So, where is this one being rendered from? We gotta raise you up just a touch more. We do that. We do that. And now, layer mask, add layer, gun. Gonna make a crib for my bedroom. Why would I need a crib in my bedroom, Patty? Why would I need a crib in my bedroom? See, that's pointless. I don't need a crib in a bedroom. I don't have a baby. Here, cooling mask will be just gun of solid color. Now let's see here. Unity 2 camera gun because it's for you. Are you teasing me because are you teasing me again, Patty? Because, you know, are you teasing me again? I'm not a baby. You know what I am? I'm a dragon. Gal. 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 I almost forgot the ominous white shelter next to the sus cube. It's just a non-lead text. It's just a shelter with no texture to it. I love it. Baby dragon, I'm not a baby dragon, Patty. Hi, Orange Spider. It's so good to see you. How are you doing? So good to see you. All right, we're gonna grab ourselves a gun model. Is there a prefab here for a gun? No? Okay, so we're going to go here. What I want is... I want this one. Yeah! Look at that shotgun. It's very, shotgun-y. Yeah. Okay, I guess. Well, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad that you're here, Orange Spider. I am glad to see that you are, in fact, here. That's a big gun. Look at that. It's a big gun. I don't think we need a gun this big. Here we go. The normal map goes here. Does that diffusion thingy go here? Maybe it goes here? Did that do anything? I did do something. Yeah! Oh, look at that. That is a gun. Looking like a Remington 870. I have no idea what that is. I'll be brutally honest. We're going to attach a gun to player. 0, 0, 0, 0. Ah, yes. A gun through the head. Yes. Yummy. Delicious. Layer of gun of tag player. Now, you cannot see the gun, but you can see... Alright. So now if we take the... gun model. We move you out like... we're gonna do that for now. Actually, what did I do? We're going to disable you for now. Go back in here, and we're going to start readjusting the gun. I don't know where to put it. It's the most widely developed and modifiable gun on the market. Ooh, interesting. I had no idea, to be honest. I didn't want to do that. Whoops. I want to modify the actual gun itself. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. And then we're going to do is we're going to make this camera like that. Gun. Oh, whoops, I didn't want to do that. Whoops. 1000 0.3. It's going to be this one. Um, 50. And now, will you blow something up? Is this going to be a horror game? It is not going to be a horror game. I can assure you. It's in fact going to be a... first-person shooter, I guess? Yeah. Alright, and now... we have the gun taken care of now. Now if we do this... I see the shooter part of first-person shooter has occurred. It has indeed finally occurred! Now we have a gun. Now we can shoot bullets. Let's see here. Ba 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 ba. Let's see here. This one's gonna be that only. We do that. Let's see, does that turn out okay? Oh, there we go! Look at that, now we have... Look at that, now we have a gun. Now we have a gun. It does, it's a gun. Alright, we have a gun now. Now we can finally play... Alright, now here's the question. I need to sneeze. Phew! Excuse me. Okay. Thank you, Orange Spider. Thank you. What we can do now is what we can actually do now is go ahead and start adding out more guns to this. That is what we can do now. We can start adding more guns to this as we want. I'm thinking right now primarily 2 guns. A shotgun and an AK-47. You know, classic Slav gun, right? You're going to copy that. Paste component values. Now if we go into first person, we can hide that, we have that. Hide that, we have that. Yeah! Assault rifle, we could push you back just... No. That's a big AK. It is a very big AK. Now it's not too big AK. Alright, it doesn't work as well as I thought it was going to. Cool, that doesn't work as well as I was thought going to. Let's go back to 60 FOV. The gun thing here. Yeah. That looks good. That looks good. Alright. We're gonna call this AK-47. We're gonna call this Auto Shotty. Because I'm thinking Counter-Strike now. This looks like fun. Yay, I'm glad this looks like fun. We haven't gotten to the fun part yet, though. We haven't definitely gotten to the fun part yet, and I am excited to get there. Or we're gonna create a script called Gun. No. Let me think here. What we need to do here is, now that we have our two guns and we're going to implement this into the game, we need a what we need is a script Think. Actually, guns need to look like they need to be attached to the main camera here. Let's see here. Ah, there we go. Look at that. No problem. So, think. We have a script which controls our inventory. Which basically controls the 2 guns that we have, the AK and the auto shotty. And what we do is... Let's think here. What we do is... let's think here really quickly. That script has primarily... I need to draw something out here. 124 by 768. Decent big enough canvas. So this has a 8. Yeah, that'll do. What we do is we take a script here, which holds ammo. It controls equipped gun, and it controls the ammo. It holds the ammo, controls the equipped gun, and it also deals with player health. Okay, yeah. And then the gun script. The gun script for each respective gun will pretty much control firing it. Firing and reloading. That's what I'm thinking of. The base inventory script, your player game script will hold the ammo, all of your ammo that you have. It will control the it controls equipped gun. It controls the currently equipped gun. And it also controls like player health. The gun script will control firing of said gun, pulling ammo from the inventory script, and reloading said gun. No. Reloading it should actually be done in here. Because that's where the ammo is taken care of. Yeah. Yeah, that'll do, actually. That should, for the most part, do it. Alright, here's what we're going to do now. We're going to go into Unity. We're going to call this script player FPS gun. What should this be called? It should be called game FPS gunplay controller. And we're going to create a script here for gun AK. And the script gun auto shotty. Welcome back, Orange Spider. It's good to see you. Alright, within the... I need to open up VS Code now. Actually, we're going to do it within Unity specifically. I gotta actually check some of these project settings really quickly. Editor... Not editor. Shorter player. No. Editor. No. Not that one. Not there. Not there. Oh, they actually changed. Actually moved around. Where specifically stuff used to go for the unless it's in preferences? Yes, that's what it is. General 2D analysis. External tools. External script editor. Visual Studio Code. Code.exe. That should do it. Yeah. Now if we go here, open C# project, we should open in VS Code. Ah, there we go. Perfect. Have you ever played the Fallout games? I played Fallout 3 and New Vegas. I've played those two Fallout games a long time ago. Those are really good games, by the way. Alright, so from there, gun AK we'll inherit. We're gonna change the inherit from mono behavior to FPS gunplay controller. Gun auto shotty will do the same. FPS gunplay controller. And we don't need actually Unity Engine here. Yeah. I should do it. New Vegas is the best. 3 was amazing too. Those 2 games are amazing. They're really good. I never did beat them. At some point, I did get a touch bored of them. But they're a really good game. I need to sneeze. I can't sneeze. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, those are really good games. They are really, really good. Alright, the FPS gunplay controller will hold the... Go! 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 I have an idea! Max... Max, you gave me an idea! Go! 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 I have an idea. You've given me such a good idea, Max. We're creating one new gun. We're gonna call it the Gao gun. C# script. Gun Gao. It is gonna be the third, and it's gonna be a weapon where you can Gao and destroy all your enemies. FPS gunplay controller? Alright. And now, time to create... It's a big swear word, but it just goes Gao. Exactly. It's literally just going to be a big Gao. That's all it is. You press the button, and you Gao. Public variables, private variables, protected variables. Within here, what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called int ammo AK current int ammo AK max int ammo auto shotty current int ammo auto shotty max int we're gonna create an int ammo. The Gao gun is gonna have a recharge specifically. It shoots compressed Gao energy. Exactly. How do you compress the Gao? Good question. We can figure it out. We can figure it out. Int Gao cooldown. Timer. Let's see here. Got a cooldown timer. Actually, that should be a float instead. Then within here, it'll be Float. Gal. Cooldown. Reset timer. When gal cooldown timer gets set to this, so you have to wait before you can gal again. Gal. Oh well. Alright. Gun ammunition. Actually, these need to be these all need to be public. Actually, public. So I can expose them to the Unity editor, to the inspector. Actually, public. 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 Private. Okay. Let's think here. Gal. Gal. Oh, you're gonna get me. You're gonna hug me. Oh. Oh my gosh, I've been hugged. Wah! Alright. Alright. Gal cooldown. Actually, this needs to be... moved up here. We're gonna move you here. Private. Public. Call this the cooldown timer instead. No. There we go. Gonna get you. Gal, gal, gal. Gal cooldown timer will be equal to 0. Reset all weapons at start. Ammo. Let's see here. Public and ammo AK. So we have the current ammo count. We have the max amount of ammo you can carry. Ammo and clip. So let me think here really quickly. Ammo, Minra's packing heat. Yeah, we're creating some guns. We're creating some guns here for our game. It's gonna be interesting. Current ammo pool. Then we need a public and ammo AK clip mag current. Mag max shoddy current public and ammo auto shoddy mag max mag current AK mag current mag auto shoddy current and current magazine maximum shoddy mag max. Packing AK and auto shotty. Exactly. Current ammo count. Current ammo count. Ammo inside magazine. Max ammo inside. Ammo can be inside magazine. That's how it's gonna go. Cooldown timer is set to 0. Reset. Update the Gao cooldown timer. If Gao cooldown timer is greater than 0, cooldown timer minus equals time dot delta time. Yeah. So what it's doing right here is, with this line, it's taking, like, let's just say the count timer is currently at 8, right? So it's taking current, so it's taking 8 minus time dot delta time, which is pretty much like the time per frame, more or less. Well, not time per frame, but let me Google this really quickly. Delta time unity. Time dot delta time unity. Interval sec. Yep. Interval in seconds from last frame to the current one. 8 minus time between frame. Between the time between frame equals new time. This will ensure that our countdown timer will count down in seconds. Yeah. Counts down cool down timer in seconds. Alright, what we need now is a heck. Oh, what are they called? It's called a... Not a constant. C# variable types. And we have the data, it's the main data types. I'm looking for is specifically not casting, not arrays, not methods, not classes. It's not a constant. I need to actually look at a reference here. Hiss. Oh no, creepers. Not creepers. I just watched Markiplier video where he bought $500 worth of Pop-Tarts. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of Pop-Tarts. That is a lot of Pop-Tarts. Oh my gosh. I need to actually look at one of my previous projects I worked on really quickly. Prototypes. I did it in here. Here. I think I did it. It's gonna be in one here. FPS controller. Here, I'm gonna open up a new window. Open up folder. Yeah, that should do it. That should do it. Let's see here. looking for is enum. That's what I'm looking for. C# enums. C#, enum. That is what I'm looking for. Enums. Public enum gun selection. It's going to be AK the auto shotty and the gal gun. Yeah. Okay. So let's see here. Now what we gotta do here is private. No, we don't have to actually do it here, actually. We can do it within here. If gun okay, now how do we use the enum again? Jump mode toggle. So we actually got to create the attribute for it. We have the enum. We create the enum here. We create the jump mode toggle. We use a switch statement. From here I see. Speaking of game jams, enjoy my first one. It doesn't start till the 9th, but ooh, a game jam that starts on the 9th. That sounds fun. That sounds fun, actually. What kind of game jam are you doing, Max? What kind of game jam are you doing? Public, no. Let's see here. Gun variables. Public gun selection. Gun selection. All right, if gun selection dot selection, so is equal to gun selection dot AK-47 fire AK. Actually, we can just we can use a switch statement, right? Switch gun selection case gun selection dot AK-47. Is that how you do switch statements again? It's been a while. Yeah, case, bop, and then you break. 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 Case, gun selection, auto shotty. Fire, auto shotty. Break. Case, gun selection dot gal gun. Gal. All right. So the best way to do this would be to use a state machine. Here's a problem. I don't know how to do state machines. And I don't feel like learning right now. So, we're just gonna leave it like this, because it should work. But wait. No, that doesn't make sense, because we're in the AK one. Gotta bounce, but I'll be back when I get home. Okay, dokie, Max. Sounds good. Take care. Take care, Max. Have a good day. Huh. That doesn't work the way I was hoping it to. No, it's not gonna work. That's not gonna work, because there's kind of... Okay, so here's what we're gonna do instead. We're gonna put you here. We are going to actually... Mono... Using Unity... the engine... Using Unity engine... Mono behavior... So yeah, we're just gonna go back to doing that. We're gonna pull the switch statement out of here. We're gonna put the switch statement in here. Do the same with Galgun. Mono behavior. Using Unity engine. Mono behavior. And, alright, perfect. Within the single class, it'll take care of all of this. The gun selection. Determines selected gun. You know what the crazy thing about this specific gun? Wow, what's specific about this song in general? I can hear, like, tapping. Like, to the left, back of me. I instinctively looked over to the left, be like, huh? Someone tapping at my door? But when I take my headphones off, I don't hear anything. Oh, spatial 3D audio is... 3D audio is just so surreal. Backing to Minra Gaming. Hiya, Broseph. It's good to see you. How are you doing? We are currently working on the first-person shooter controlling stuff, because that's currently what's next. You know what I can do? You know what we can do? You know what we can do? Public enum handedness. Lefty. Righty. And you can change your handedness at any given moment. So... update player handedness. We're gonna move you down here. Public handedness. Handedness. Curhand, actually. So... private handedness. Last hand. Last handedness option chose. Current handedness option. Public transform. Handed pause. 0 lefty, 1 righty. Yeah. That would do it. If last hand is equal to current handedness, sets the last handedness to the current handedness. If last handedness does not equal current handedness, that means it's changed. Handedness has changed. Idea. Equals 0. Equal to 1. Then what I need here is public game objects. Boo. Ah, you scared me. Hill Haru, you scared me. Hold on. You scared me. Oh my gosh. You scared me so much. How are you doing, sweetie pie? It's so good to see you. How are you doing? Guns. You're doing good? I'm glad. 1 equals shoddy, 2 equals gal. You wasn't expecting that reaction? Well, you see, you said boo, and it scared me. Yeah. Last hand is equal to cur-handedness. And then for int I is equal to 0, if I is less than guns dot, is it length? I will do that. Guns do index I dot transform dot position is equal to Move gun position so we can make it lefty or righty. Game object guns is equal to handed pause index last hand. Right, so make sure you create a new vector 3. Dot let's see here. Doing it just slightly wrong here, it looks like. Real game, lefty righty, real gamer choose righty. What if I told you I'm actually left-handed? Yeah, what if I actually told you I'm a lefty? Like, I actually use my mouse in my left hand. I use my pencil in my left hand. I use a keyboard in my right hand for gaming. So I'm adding an option for you as a gamer to choose whether you're left-handed, or right-handed. What side the gun is on? Oh, well, I'm adding an option for left-handed gun because I want left-handed guns. Not enough games out there allow for option to choose what hand your gun goes on. And like, I want my guns on my left side. And like, really the only games that can do that are like pretty much old Source Engine games. Like Counter-Strike, Team Fortress, and stuff like that. So it just makes more sense to me like that. Left-handed guns confuse me. COD Warzone. Warzone allows you to have left-handed guns? Oh, that's pretty awesome. I haven't played Warzone in like forever. Because I kind of got a little tired of it after some point. But yeah, I haven't played it in forever. So yeah. Let's see your guns. I don't want transform, I want vector 3 for handed position. Index X. And pause last hand. New vector 3. Okay, so dot X handed pause index last hand dot Y. Come on. Come on, no. As handed pause last hand dot Z. Oh. Let's see here. Cast enum as int.
Why don't you get out?
Oh, thank you for the hydration and posture check. Posture check, bro stuff. I actually kind of needed that. Oh, thank you so much. I needed that. Let's see here. That just works if we just do like that? Oh. I guess that does work. Cool. Perfect. Yeah, it's easy to, it's very easy to have really bad posture when you're programming. Set new handedness. So what's happening here is if the player handedness has changed. Wow. If the player handedness has changed, set the new player handedness. Move the guns. Guns at lengths. Move. Excuse me. Move gun 1 to the new position. Gun 2 and gun 3 to the new position. Now if we go in Unity, let's see here. Yes, gunplay controller. Two. Let's see here. 0 is lefty, 1 is righty. So where are you currently located? You are currently located... Point 3... Okay. We'll put you there. We're going to create another inspector tab. Add tab, inspector. This one will be the... here. Right-handed item is 0.3, 0.3, 0.25. No, wait. Negative 0.3, 0.64. And then if we add a negative to each one of these... Actually, no, that's even better. What we just gotta do is just... negative 0.3, negative 0.3, 0.64. I probably could have thought of something better than just doing this, but hey, this works. Yeah. And then the 3 guns. Have you, and you. Point 3. Like that. 69. Ha ha ha. Nice. 69. Nice. Humor is broken. That's totally okay. Sometimes you just gotta say goofy things like that, you know? 0.3, negative 0.3. 0.3, negative 0.3. 0.64. Alright, that looks good. And now in theory, if we click that and we hit U. Okay. It's working. It's definitely working. I could say that much. It's definitely working. So let's see here. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think I know what's up. Local position. I need to set the local position, not just transform that position. Local position. That should do it. It's not working. It's not working. And of course, if we... Here, let's go ahead and actually attach the game window, like, right here. I don't think this is how it's supposed to work. So, yay. It's not working. I don't feel like fixing it. Hi, Minra. I'm bored. Hi, bored. I'm Minra. It's good to see you. I'm sorry. Stupid joke. I had to. We're just gonna... I'm sorry, Haru. I'm sorry. Stupid joke. If there's anything that I could do to make it less boring, maybe we can add some dank memes. My humor is broken. It's okay. Broken humor sometimes can be enjoyable, you know? Let's see here. My handedness selection. It's definitely not working. So I'm kind of curious. Could we just, like... You working, though. You don't work. Okay. Set you there. Why does the AK get moved? Like that. We'll try that instead. You like dark humor? Dark humor can be enjoyable. That's what I gotta say. Dark humor can be enjoyable. Huh. Unless it's actually not properly... Local position? Let's try this. It's possible that the script isn't refreshing. Oh, there we go. Huh. There you go. Look at that. And I can change whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Let's see here. Sets handed. Private. No. Private I did doing it wrong. Let's see here. Private void set handedness. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just move everything from in here to here. And then set handedness. Sets player handedness. I did if this is okay, but I kicked a soccer ball at a kid in a wheelchair and yelled, "Rocket." Oh my gosh, that is awful. That's an awful joke. Oh my gosh, why am I laughing at it? You're fine, Haru. You're fine, don't worry about it. Let's see here. Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to... Here's what we're gonna do. After I not break everything. Set handedness. We're gonna set the handedness of the player. Let's see here. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it the very janky way. I don't care. We're doing it the very janky way. If cur hand is equal to handedness dot lefty, then last hand is equal to handedness dot righty, else last hand is equal to handedness dot lefty. Oh, right, that's single sign. And then we set the handedness within here. Starts off right-handed. Refresh. Haru. Hey, what's up? You said my name, Minra. What's up? Starts off like that. Okay, that's okay. Now if we set you to righty, or set you to lefty. Ah! Works flawlessly. Perfect. Oh, that's great. That's actually great. Valyuzu. Hey, Game Jammers. Is this game jamming? This is, in fact, game jamming. We are currently here, vibing here. We are currently building a game together. A first-person shooter. Look, we got a gun. Actually, Yuzu, Vio, sweetie, you haven't seen what we worked on yesterday, have we? Ooh, 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 ooh. Here, come check this out. Come check out what we did yesterday, Yuzu. Check this out. We have a very sus cube. You see that? That cube is very sus. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. I love it. And then we can go into this house here. Look, we have my sussy bean right here. And then we also have my gun's going through the bean here. Anyways, Susra box. And look, it's Minra plushie. It's a plushie of me. Little old me. Oh, actually, I gotta do something really quickly. I actually gotta fix these. Actually gotta fix the layers of these really quickly. Gun. And these are of layer of tag player. There we go. That's better. Oh. That's not right. I gotta fix this really quickly. Hold on. We'll do that. Overwrites. Yeah. Guns hidden. I don't care. We'll fix that later. But yeah, sus. And then look, Minra plushie. It's a Minra plushie. Oh no, don't turn me into a marketable plushie. No. And look, only OG Minra fans will remember this. Remember Minra PNG that I've used for the longest and longest and longest of times. So yeah. There she is. And then. Let's see here. And then over here. Whoa. I'm a maid. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. And then we have a radio here playing my song. We also have a poster of me. A computer playing my latest playing a VOD. Security camera. And look, it's me. Yeah, that's what we got so far. It's great. Yeah, so that's what we got so far, Yuzu. So far, so good. What is Hilharu saying? I don't need to be drunk or high to make bad life decisions. Oh. Don't make too bad of bad life decisions. That's all I ask. Don't make too bad of life decisions. Alright, let's see here. I need to fix this really quickly. 0.415. 0.415. That should do it. We hit play. That should fix the, Yeah, there we go. Now we have our guns. They do gun things now. Although I gotta actually... Here, Pretty Dragon. Pretty Dragon. Am I really that pretty, sweetie pies? Here, let's see here. AK-47. We'll do that. Diffuse. Put the normal here, and here we go. Yay. I'm glad, Haru. Because you said pretty dragon. I'm thinking, am I really that pretty? Am I really, truly that pretty? But that really means a lot. But yeah, now we have a gun. Okay, now we have handedness of the gun working. Now we can go ahead and work on the actual gun part of actual making sure the guns work. Let's see here. Purple is a good color. Purple is a good color. I highly agree, Haru. Purple is such a good color, and I love it. There's a reason why I chose purple. Well, correction. I didn't really choose purple. I was kind of born purple. There's kind of a reason why I chose and embraced the purple for my layout and everything, you know? Purple and pink. Purple and pink is good. Throw a little bit of yellow in there. Throw some white and stuff in there. It looks good, especially blue. Yo-Ho has won 5 from the jump catch game. Yay! I'm glad. Congratulations on winning 5. Here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna jump. Yay, I jumped. Player... Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Private, void, player, input. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna grab that. Grab that. Define player input. Whoa, you challenged me to a duel? Let's do it. I accept. Let's see here. Player input values. What I want here is float x, private float x, private float y, private bool fire. Everything was so flashy there. Congratulations for... Oh my gosh, I won the duel. Ah! I won the duel, yay. Z. Alright, we do that. We do that. Move player. Private, void, move player. We're going to move you all in here. Move you all right there. Move player. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Oh, you know what I need? I need a bonk emote. I might have to ask a friend of mine to make a bonk emote for me. We'll have to see. We're gonna have to see, because what if we had a bonk emote? Imagine how cute that would be. Alright. Apply move, we... Moves player. Gets player input. Fire is equal to input dot get key down fire. Let's see here. Getters, setters. How do you do a getter and setter again? Orange Spider. Hi, Orange Spider. It's good to see you. Welcome, welcome. It's so good to see you. What I want is new window. I want to open you up. How do you do a getter and setter again? It's been a while. Ah, I see. Okay. Public fire. Get return fire. And then, am I doing that right? Oh, it's not a method, right? Here we go. How to draw it. I'm really bad at drawing too, Hair. I get that. Yeah, programming NPCs. We're actually not programming any NPCs, oddly enough. We are currently what are we doing? We're currently getting we're currently now working on firing weapons. FPS gunplay controller. Get the input component. Private player movement equals input. Player input. Oh, okay, I didn't know. You're fine, Orange Spider. You are totally fine. Don't worry about it. Get components. Input equals get component. We want a component player movement. Get components. And then from here is fire. What I want is private bool. How do I want this? Private bool input AK. Private bool input auto shoddy. Private bool input Galgun. Input auto AK is equal to input get button down key code get key down. Input auto shoddy is equal to input dot get key down key code alpha 2 input Galgun is equal to input dot get key down Key code Alpha 3. Here we go. Orange Fire says, I downloaded a Cradle of Filth album to drown out my chaotic family. Oh, I hope it drowns it out okay. I definitely hope it drowns it out okay. Let's see here. Let's see here. The updates the Gao cooldown timer. Weapon firing stuffs. All right. Determine selected gun. When when we start out, sets selected gun. If think. They're stored in a variable. Guns, they're all stored in a variable, right? So 0 or 1 or 2. So we go into gun selection equals to 0, equals to 1, equals to 2, equals to 2. Then private void gun selected int. No, we don't need an int actually. Selects gun. For int I is equal to 0. If I is less than guns dot length plus I. And then from here, think. Disables all guns just in case. Guns dot index I is set active. Wait, set. Or no, that's false. Is it a method? It's a method, of course it is. Enables new gun. Guns index. Guns selected. Dot set active dot true. It's not right? Okay, no, we have to actually cast it into an int. It's all coming back to me. Oh, gun selection. There we go. AK-47 is known for its ability to put through extreme stress and damage and still work perfectly. Ooh, that is fascinating. That is really fascinating, actually. So, now we can swap between guns. In theory. And now, what we need to determine now is, okay, this is setting handedness. This is selecting the gun. Now what you need to do is private void gun selection input manager. We want to manage the current inputs being put into it. We want to manage the current inputs being used. So we're gonna use PM input. PM if PM input dot input public bool input select a k get return input AK. Public bool input input select auto get return input auto shoddy. Public bool input cell gal get return input gal gun. There we go. What is Haru saying? Or what is Haru saying? Better add a pistol like the Luger or something. We could add a pistol, but I'm thinking mostly just shotgun and AK. That's primarily what I'm thinking of. There's a story about a Soviet commander finding an AK under a layer of mud and a dead body, putting around in the chamber, firing it, and adopting it as his primary weapon. Oh, that sounds like such a very, what do you call it? It's like such a reliable weapon, it looks like. If we select that, if we press input for selecting the AK weapon, change to said weapon. If we select the AK, what we need to do now is, set gun selection. Gun selection dot is now equal to gun. What is that enum called? Gun selection. Gun selection dot AK. And then what we want to do is run gun selected. So from up here, we set from right here. We want to call this gun selection input manager. Gun selection input manager determines the gun selected. Gun selected input manager. We go into here. We press the input for selecting the weapon, change to said weapon. If we press the input for selecting the AK, we set the gun selection to AK. We go into the gun selected method. We disable all other guns. And we enable the certain gun that we want. Okay. Now if we do this again, doing the same thing as before, if PM input dot select auto shoddy gun selection is equal to gun selection auto shoddy gun. Actually, we don't even need to run this method every time. We can just, you know, kind of run this at the end here. Well, no. Because what if the player decides to, like, press... No, that shouldn't be a problem. No, we'll just do it like this for the time being. Yeah. If PM input dot select GAU gun selection is equal to gun selection dot GAU gun selected. All right. Perfect. Determine selected gun. We have an error in here. PM input. All right. And now if we go ahead and... Vamp Moira! Oh my gosh, Moira, thank you for the raid, sweetie pie. Thank you so much. Here. Shout out Vamp Moira. Wow, check out playing a friend as a raven. Wow, it's so good to see you. Still good to see you, Moira. How was your stream? It's so good to see you. Orange Fire says, still haven't touched Duke Nukem with that 10-foot stick. Oh. Alright. So, set handedness. We're good here. Whoa! Thank you for the follow, Bro Livier. Thank you for the follow, Bro Livier. So good to see you. Thank you so much. You're a sweetie pie. It was such a short stream to test some things. Ah, testing. Yes, it's so good. Testing stuff is always good. Are you using brackets to make a game? I don't have, I mean, there are brackets right here. But no, we're using Visual Studio Code. Because that is my favorite code editor. Because, like, the OG Visual Studio, the full IDE takes, like, a year to open. So, like, yeah. We're gonna comment that out. Now we're gonna try this. Refresh. Relive our fellow programmer. Indeed, I do programming. Well, I haven't did a programming in a while, so I'm definitely a little rusty. But yeah, we're doing a game jam. We're doing 7-day FPS. Looked like a program I use called brackets. Yeah, we use Visual Studio Code over here, not brackets. All right, let's see if this works. It doesn't work! Yay! Okay, we gotta go to project settings. Input manager. Oh, Fire 1. It's called Fire 1. Fire 1. Maybe, let's look at the key codes really quickly. JK. Keypad. Yeah, it should be Alpha 1, right? Let's see here. What language are you using? We are using C#. And we are using Unity for our engine of choice. I have opinions about Unity, but I mean, it gets the job done, you know? That's what I like to say. It gets the job done. All right, let's see here. Horizontal, vertical, fire 1, key code alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. Of course, Unity is good for quickly making games. Yep, that's actually the biggest reason why I'm using Unity. It's quick and easy. It's Brovier says, I have opinions about Unity too. I think the general game dev community has a pretty strong opinions on Unity. Like, without going into detail, I don't like it. But it works so good for what I wanted to do. So yeah. Use a creation engine if you wanted a game about glitched and crashes. Oh yes, make a game in the creation engine. Good stuff. 10 out of 10. One day I want to learn Unreal Engine. One day. But I already have like years of work in like Unity that it's like a sunk cost type of thing, right? But I mean, so far Unity is working. It's working the way I want it to right now. Fire 1 is unknown. What the? No. Fire 1 is not unknown. Fire 1 is currently in your input stuff right here. Unity. Please. Bear with me. Work with me. I know you can be a hot pile of garbage sometimes. Maybe get button instead? It working! Ah! Now I can change guns! You can change guns! Ah, we're making progress. Brillier says, that one day I wasted on making a model from Blender to Unity to a VRM because you can't export into VRM from Blender, so I had to mess with Unity. What do you mean it doesn't exist? It's right there. Yeah, that's... Yeah. Now here's what we're gonna do now. We are going to, things are working okay, it looks like. Alright, let's see here. We have... It's a fairy dragon. Wow, see her color sign tonight. It's Minra on her stage, a dragon's big debut. Playing all the games, laughing, crying, having fun. Wonderful experience I'm sharing with you all. Here to delight you all. Your sweetie pie. Enjoy the show by this dragon's Minra. Gow gow. Oh, I have multiple songs playing at the same time, I just realized. I'm confusing. It's Minra, are you gonna sing? Karaoke night, the glow sticks are ready. Will you sing a meme or cover something else? Maybe something different since nothing's seen this day. La 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 da 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 ba 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 ba. There's so much to sing. I'm gonna create a method called gun firing firing gun firing. Gun selected, gun that, and then lastly is private void gun firing. We're gonna move you in here. Here we go. You're gonna pop off, Moira? Okie dokie. Take care, Moira. Take care, take care. Good with your code not breaking itself. Yes, thank you. I know that all too well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, you two. Yay, thank you. Bye-bye. I had this playing this whole time. I'm gonna end that really quickly. Wrong one. This one. Gun firing. Gun selection. Gun firing. So... what I need now is access to the components, the classes for each of the guns. Public, no. Let's see here. Private. Gun AK. Private gun auto shotty. Auto. Private gun Gao to Gao. Okay. Well, the problem is though, I got to do it within the Unity editor. Serialize field. Serialize field. This isn't the best practice, but it's gonna have to work the way I want it to. Code won't break itself unless you're messing with memory. But hopefully, hopefully then the OS stops you. Hopefully is the key word. Hopefully indeed. Hopefully is all around word in programming. Hopefully I don't accidentally go out of bounds in my memory, in the allocated memory that I have created. Hopefully I won't access other bits of memory that's not allowed to me. Hopefully when playing with assembly, I won't just, accidentally go a few bytes out of range out of my current stack because I am dumb and mistyped mistyped a value, thus corrupting Windows until I reboot. Hopefully I don't do that. I did that once. It was fun. It was great. So let's see here. Debug.log firing AK. Debug.log firing auto shotty. Debug.log Gao. What I should do now actually is... wow! I love that, by the way. PM input dot fire weapon. This would be so much easier if I did this. If I actually did this as like a, as what do you call it? A pain. What am I thinking of right now? This would be Definitely a lot easier if I somehow did this as a state machine, but I don't know how to do state machines the best, so if else we're doing if else pain. I mean, to be fair, we're mostly just gonna be firing a gun, so there's not much to pain about, thankfully, unless it becomes spaghetti. Firing guns. If player fires gun, select a gun based on switch to gun based on what's equipped and fire it. It's probably not the best way of doing it, I'll be brutally honest. It's probably not the best way of doing it, I'll be brutally honest. But this is gonna be the way I'm doing it because game jams. Are you gonna have a gun firing sound? I'm going to try. We're gonna try. That is as much as I can give you right now. We're going to try. Alright. Firing AK. Firing auto shotty. Gow! Every time you gow, you just get a nice big ol' picture. You get this nice big ol' sound of me gowing. Sounds beautiful, doesn't it? This is turning out great, actually. So... let's see here. An assault rifle fires its weapon based on... currently based on... when it's held down, right? So this actually needs to be... get button. Think, think, think. OMG, record saying pew pew and such and make it the firing... Bro Olivier. That is such a good idea. We're doing that. You know what? We are definitely doing that now. Hold up. Hold up. Let's actually record that right now. Let's actually record that right now. Here. What I'm going to do here is just to be sure. Let's see here. Pew. Pew. Pew, pew, pew. 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 Alright, I'm gonna need your guys' opinions on this. Pew. Pew. Pew, pew, pew. 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 I'm fond of the last one. I'm fond of this last one right here. Pew. 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 I love it. Alright, here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go ahead and save project. We're gonna have to now go and get this project saved. great for the AK, but shotgun should go poom poom. I agree. We're gonna make the shotgun go a nice big sound, you know? Waka waka! Waka waka! Waka waka! Waka waka! Waka! That's actually a brand new redeem of mine. Waka waka. Thank you for doing that. I didn't know how to do it, so we just did it. Dev. Game jams. 7-day FPS. Game. Assets. Assets, we're gonna create this one called Sounds. AK sound.
Pew, 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 pew.
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Pew, pew, pew.
Copy. New. Paste. Save project as AK Pew. And then export as a WAV file. No, we don't want to put it into my It's Minra karaoke folder. We want to put it into my game jams, 7-day FPS. And right here. Right now, refresh.
Pew, 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 pew.
And then what we can do, karaoke AK sounds. We can make the AK sound like one of my karaoke streams, just me singing a song. That'd be so goofy. Ba da ba ba, ba da ba ba. All right. We need now is AK. We need to give you the audio source, the clip itself. I'm gonna need to actually trim this audio clip just a touch because it's a touch longer.
Pew, 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 pew.
It'll do for the it'll work for the time being.
Pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew.
I need to over here really quickly.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew,
Right there.
pew, pew, pew.
All right, perfect. Save. Export. Replace. Hit OK. Refresh.
Pew. 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 Pew.
I love it.
Pew. 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 Pew.
This is gonna get
Pew.
obnoxious, and I love it. You know what this reminds me of? Remember that Half-Life 2 mod from like years ago? Hold up a sec. Half-Life 2, but every sound is replaced with my voice. Yeah. Like, it reminds me of that. It reminds me of that old Half-Life mod. Like that old Half-Life 2 mod from years ago. The dude literally just replayed every single sound in Half-Life 2 with his own voice. That is so good. So we're doing that here. Ba 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 ba. All right. What if I made a Half-Life 2 mod, but it's literally just that, but with my voice? What if we did that? That would be so much fun. We don't want Steam open, that's for sure. Brain fart, brain fart, brain fart. AK-47. Yeah. And now, what we need to do now is for the AK, the problem that I'm thinking now is, we'll figure it out we'll figure this out as we go. I want to get the AK working first. Alright, cool. It's working. What is the fire rate of an AK? Fire rate of an AK-47. 600 rounds per minute. What about per second? I'm having a brain fart right now. Albany Parlor. Hi, Albany. It's so good to see you, sweetie pie. How are you doing? So good to see you. Softer, you say. Yeah, we're making a game in Unity. A, game jam game. Sup, nerd. Wait, I'm a nerd now? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm a nerd. Be a nerd now. Hi, it's so good to see you. About 15 rounds? Okay, so... oh, excuse me. Yeah, we're doing a game for the, 7-day FPS. So that's what we're doing today. The AK... Have made a game jam game in forever. Yeah, I haven't did a game jam in a while too, so I thought, might as well, right? Make a new game jam game, because why not, right? What we're gonna do here now is... public void fire AK ak.fire AK. All right. Now, audio source, that's here. Private audio source. Audio source. Private audio source. Audio source. Private void start. Audio source dot get component. Audio source. Don't forget that. Audio source dot play one shot. Doing it wrong. Oh no, wait, no. It should just be play, right? We do that. This? Okay, sweetie pies. If I'm thinking what I'm thinking is going to be correct, this is going to be absolutely cursed. Shall we? Refresh? It's going to be absolutely cursed. It didn't do anything! What didn't work? Oh, I forgot to actually give you guys the specific scripts. Give you that. Give you that. Give you that. Not working. Let's see here. AK. Object reference is not set to the instance of an object. Okay. Object ref is not set to the instance of an object, but we have audio source on here, don't we? Yeah, it's right here. So we go back into here. Audio source. Oh, right. I'm a dummy. Audio source equals get component. And now this should be cursed. I need to actually refresh. We're getting there. Line 168. Oh, right. We actually need to, that. And now, this should be cursed. Shall we, sweetie pies?
Pew. Pew. Pew.
It's as cursed as I thought it was never gonna be. It's playing it every single frame.
Pew.
This is so bad. I love it. Okay. Now we need to figure out the fire rate. Now we gotta do the fire rate problem. My heart. Oh my gosh. Am I feeling anxiety right now just by hearing that? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I might be feeling a touch anxious right now. My heart, please. Oh, here, gotta. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Let out for 4. Okay, I feel better. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, now this is where the fun begins. All right, space. We're gonna add a space of 10 here. And what we're going to do is public float AK fire rate. Hey, need music or sounds? I actually might. I won't have time to make my own music for the game, so I would actually need music and sound effects and stuff. So, fire rate. That will be the fire rate. Private float AK cooldown timer. The emulator, what type of music would you would vibe for? Okay, will do. Will do. I will definitely do that. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We need to work on the timers now. AK cooldown timer. If AK cooldown timer is greater than 0, that means we still gotta go it down. AK cooldown timer minus equals time dot delta time. And if AK cooldown timer is less than or equal to 0, AK dot fire AK. We need to make sure AK cooldown timer is equal to AK fire rate. Sets the cooldown timer of the AK to be the fire rate. Fires AK. Okay, this should do something. Refresh. Capsule. The fire rate, we're gonna make it 15. Line 49? What's on line 49? I thought I already applied that. No matter. Let's try it.
Pew.
15 seconds. Let's make it 0.15. Oh gosh, hi! That's beautiful! It works so good! It's obnoxious! And I love it! Oh my gosh. It's a very cursed but beautiful sound. Indeed, I highly agree. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. It works. So good. Oh, it works so good. And now... we need to start creating the magazine. Let's just say we have the maximum... Okay. What I want here is AK-47 max magazine capacity. I at least want some accuracy. 30 rounds? Alright. Plus one more round in the chamber. 31. Just for the sake of, like, yeah. Okay. The current magazine current is that. And let's just do like 600 for the sake of this. Okay. AK cooldown timer. Let's think here. Let us think here. The AK cooldown timer between every shot. As that's going, subtract 1 from the magazine. AK minus, subtract 1 from the magazine. Max Panda, check this out. While we're here, you haven't seen it yet. Check this out. Are you ready for the most cursed thing in the world? It works too good. It's literally my voice is the gun sound. It's so good. Okay. It's beautiful. That's fantastic. Yes, indeed. Thank you. We gotta thank Brulevier in the chat here earlier who brought up that idea, and I was like, we gotta do it. We have to do it. And ammo AK mag current greater than 0. Thank you. I do need the posture check. Thank you. Oh, and actually I do need the water. Thank you so much. Oh, I needed that. So, when the current magazine is greater than 0, we set the cooldown timer. We subtract 1 from the magazine. Else if magazine empty. Else if ammo AK mag current is less than or equal to 0. What we want to do now is, well, the mag current is less than or equal to 0. We what's the we're gonna set the reload time. Public float AK reload. Let's just, I don't know, 5 seconds maybe. Five seconds, and then ammo AK mag current. Let's see here. No. Ammo AK current is equal minus equals 31. Ammo AK mag current is equal to, oh, actually, mag ammo AK mag max. Ammo AK mag max. AK cooldown timer is equal to AK reload time. Reload the AK. Sets current ammo pool to the subtracts ammo pool by the magazine max. This is a very quiet song. Reload current magazine. All right. Here we go. Let's see here. I love it. I forgot to... no. I forgot to refresh. For some reason, it's not compiling when it's supposed to, so hold on. It's actually kind of annoying. Preferences. General. Recompile. It's not compiling after we auto refresh. But do it. Refresh. Alright, let's see here. And it didn't work, but it did something. Let's see here. So, if the AK cooldown timer is less than or equal to 0, ooh, minus equals when the cooldown timer is less than or equal to 0, we fire, we restart the fire rate cooldown timer, and then we subtract 1 from the current ammo pool magazine. We fire the AK. It keeps going until this reaches... Should be ore? Maybe it should be ore. No, it shouldn't be ore because it would run otherwise. And the magazine current is greater than 0. Well, it's greater than 0. We go down here. If it fails this, we go down here. Honestly, it should probably be an else at that point. Else, cooldown timer is now set to the reload time. You know what you know what I forgot to do? Let's make a 5-second reload.
Pew.
Oh. That doesn't work. It does need to be else if. Else if ammo AK mag current is less than or equal to 0. And it works! Reloading works! Oh, there we go. Perfect. No problem. No problem. Ah. Alright. It works. So good. Alright, let's see here. Space. Let's set space here to be 20. Space here is 10. Space 10. Okay. Ammo AK current, max mag current. And then if we want to do here is we need to add the UI, right? Using Unity engine.ui. No. Using Unity engine. I know. MP. Okay, we're gonna have to actually import TextMesh Pro. Import. Yes, import TextMesh Pro, because we're going to need that. Using Unity engine.t. How do you import TextMesh Pro? Unity TextMesh Pro. How do you import it? User guide. Here we go. And this is already kind of there already? public. No. No. Let's see here. Add new 3 objects. Okay. UGUI. Quick start. Maybe Unity's video here can help a little bit. I know how to use it in editor. But what about in code? Scripting. It's definitely not helping here. Unity's documentation is historically not the best. I'll be brutally honest. It's, yeah, it's historically not the best. So, what you need to do is, using system, using TM Pro. But I already imported it though, right? What? Hey, what's giving me errors here? Oh, right here. I'm still not seeing it. Why is it not seeing it? Okay. And then... let's see here. Public TMP will error not like, will Unity not like this? Oh, there we go. It's actually picking it up, but for some reason VS Code is not liking it. All right, let's go ahead and create ourselves our what do you call it? UI. Text Mesh Pro. Right, game. Close tab. Unlock. Alright, Alt Shift. Let's do bottom left of screen. And let's go ahead and pull it out by like 50 and 50. Maybe 100. Yeah, that looks good. 150 right there. Ammo. Ammo. We duplicate that. Ammo count. $250. No. 225. There we go. That looks good. That looks good. That looks actually really good. Not me trying to decide what to eat before my stream tonight. Ah, yes. The struggle. Oh gosh, what do you eat before stream? Oh no. I know that struggle all too well. What if we put here space 10, and then what we do now is in the gun selection, ammo dot text is equal to think. Oh, fidget toy. You only know me the best. Guns and gun selection, set active true. How about this? Switch, guns, case, gun, oh, excuse me. Case gun selection. No. Gun. Goes gun selection to gun selection. Right? Gun selection's up top with capital G. Okay. Case gun selection dot gun selection dot AK and break. Gonna move you up a little bit. AK mag current. And then every time we fire the gun, update magazine. AK.text oh no, ammo.text. Ammo.text is equal to ammo AK mag current. Okay, that should do it. Right. Oh, right. To string. We gotta turn this into a string. Come on. Here we go. So close. So close. Ammo count right here. And
Pew, 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 pew.
all right. That actually works out great. Ammo dot text is equal to AK. All right.
Pew, 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 pew.
It's working. And then what we can do here is ammo dot text is equal to reloading. And then when we're here, after it's done doing that, if AK cooldown timer is less than or equal to 0, ammo.text is equal to AK mag current. That would do it. Uh-oh. To string, and there we go. And reloading, reloading, reloading. It works. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it's looking good right now. The shotgun is not going to take too long to create because all we just really got to do now is just copy and paste what we've done there and put it to the shotgun. That's all you really got to do now. I love the sound effects being so ridiculous, right? Whew. All right. I am feeling like taking a break soon, TM question mark? But before we do that, let's go ahead and create the next sound effect. I want to get the Gao sound effect done right now before we forget. New one. Okay, new sound effect. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Gao. 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 Okay. I have an idea. We can have the Gao gun. We can have the Gao gun actually randomly choose between multiple different Gaos. That isn't hard to do, actually. Gal party. Indeed, gal party. Create, save this as gal. Create new one. All right, here's what we're doing now. Let's go ahead and figure out which ones sound the best. Gal. 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 I have an idea. Why don't we just use like a couple of these long ones? They sound pretty good. Gal. Gal. Yeah. For I know random selection's easy. Yeah, we're just going to use just a random number generator. Relatively easy stuff. All right. Save as gal1. Gal1. Export as gal1. We get that. And then we create a new one. Save this one as Gao2. Has the radio been the hardest thing because it crashed the engine? Actually? No. Well, probably actually yes, thinking about it. Like, it did cause a bit of the engine to crash earlier. So, by that definition, yes, actually, it has been the hardest thing to deal with. Because we did lose about, like, a good little bit of work. But it wasn't the hardest because... It wasn't the worst, though, because we managed to get... We managed to get back to where we once were. So it's not the end of the world. Alright. Third one. Save project as Gal3. Save project export as Gal3. I like that one. And now... Alright. Gal4. And that right there is, I think, a pretty decent place to stop. Probably. I gotta see something really quickly. Before... No, I think we can go for a little bit longer. Just a touch longer. So then what we can do here is, it's not gonna be too... We're gonna have 4 gals. Because 4 is a pretty decent amount. Sounds. Gal 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many gals can he gal? We can probably do all the gals. We could probably do all the gals. Right here we want his public audio clip gals. And then we go down here. We're going to basically copy what we did up here down here. If gal cooldown timer is less than or equals 0, sets gal cooldown timer is equal to gal reset. Actually, we need the sounds to be attached to the gal, actually. Public audio clip. Actually, no, we can actually just pass them in as a parameter. What we can do here is fire public void fire gal audio clip gals. And then fire gal. Actually, what we can do is we can just audio clip gal. Gal dot fire gal. Gals random dot unity random number. Yeah. Random dot range 0. Is it inclusive? Inclusive. Okay, so it is random dot range to gals dot length. So we pass through, we fire the gal, we choose a gal based on 0 gals minus 1. We don't need that. That should be okay, actually. Here. Private audio source. Private void start as audio source dot is equal to get component audio source. Audio source dot play. We don't want to play it immediately. We want to go to player, capsule, Galgun, audio source. We need to apply the audio clip. Clip is equal to gal. Audio source dot play. That should do it. That should do it. We go back up here. One, 2, 3, 4. It's so cursed. Okay. Gal cooldown timer, but what? We need to set the cooldown timer for the gal. That'll be every 5 seconds, we can gal. Hold on, we're not gowing often enough. Every 2 seconds. It's so obnoxious and I love it. Here. I gotta listen to something really quickly. Gao 3 tune sounds way too similar to Gao 2. Let's see here. Alright, Gao 3 sounds way too similar to Gao 4. Let's try this. It's working. Now you can gal. Now you can gal. Okay, I do feel like it's time for me to take a break though, because my brain's a little bit pooped out after programming all that, and I mean, let's just look around to see what we got so far. We have the sus cube. We have an AK-47 that pews. We still have radio. Everything in here is still good. That's still good. You can just gal. Yeah. So far, things are working great. And I am very proud of where we're going with this. Tomorrow, we're gonna try and we're gonna add add enemies and, you know, shootable things. That is what we're gonna try and do tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be fun. Until then, sweetie pies, I had a lot of fun. Today was a good stream. We got a lot of work done too, and it turns out what we're making is so goofy and I love it. I cannot wait to show you guys. I cannot wait to get this done. Hopefully we can get it done before Saturday, you know? That's exciting. Glad to have been on and off for a while. Yay, thank you, Max. Thank you, Max, for coming by, yeah. So, we're gonna go ahead and raid. Oh, you know who we haven't raided in a while? Keyblade Spirit. A very wonderful friend of mine playing Minecraft. Yes, playing Minecraft. So yeah, we're gonna go raid Keyblade Spirit, who's playing Minecraft. So, sweetie pies, thank you all so much for coming by. I'm gonna, you know, shout out my Twitter, my Discord, you know, my, shoot. Yeah, Twitter, my Discord, you know. You can go ahead and click those, follow me, keep updated, and, you know, click down below for my, click down below, hit the bell icon, click the subscription button. Don't forget our sponsor, Best Buy. I'm joking. I'm sorry. I've been watching too much Linus Tech Tips, you know. But again, jokes aside, thank you all for coming. I had fun. I hope you all had a great time. And now, sweetie pies, it is time to go raid my friend Keyblade Spirit. It's been great. It's been fun. Until next time, sweetie pies. Tomorrow, morning, I'm planning. I'll see you then. It's Minra, and let's go. Take care. Bye-bye. Go!